Again guys, G Squared Academy. We're still in our organic chemistry. Remember I said organic is very vast. It seems endless. So we're going to be naming straight alcohols today. We're continuing with our naming. After we do the alcohols, we're going to go on to the acids. And then we do some other things, But we're going to do the straight alcohols in this video today. Alright, so just remember that the suffix for alcohols is anol. It's anol, of course, and the functionality of alcohol is COH. Good. Now we're gonna name these things now. So let's draw an alcohol. Remember, we're still using the skeletal because that's I find this to be easier to understand. Okay, so this is an alcohol, OH. Must have that for it to be an alcohol. So we want to name it. First step, count the number of carbons in the longest carbon chain. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So therefore, we can find the prefix for 4, which is but. And then we add the suffix anol. So it's butanol. Just like alkenes now, we need to tell where this double bond is. Sorry, not the double bond. We need to tell where the OH is. With alkenes, we had to tell where the double bond is. With alcohols, we need to tell where the OH is. So we're going to number our carbon chain from left to right, right to left, so we can figure out the lower number. We always use the lower number. So counting from left to right, our OH would be on 1, 2, 3, carbon number 3. Counting from right to left, our OH would be on 1, 2. So clearly, we're going to number from right to left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our OH is on carbon number 2. So we're going to put that in the name, 2-butanol. Just like with alkenes though, you find that there's an old name. So you would have butan hyphen 2-ol, butan 2-ol. But again, I prefer 2-butanol. Because it's less of a mouthful. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. All right. Now let's look at a second example. So here is same 4 carbon alcohol, and this time I'm going to put my OH there. All right. So you should I know you know how to name this even before I even start naming it. But let's just run through. All right. So how many carbons? Longest carbon chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Prefix, but. And then you add your suffix, anol, up there. Butanol. Of course, you then need to put the position of the OH. And I mean, this is so painfully obvious, but we still do it. If we count from left to right, our OH is going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4, carbon number 4. If we count from right to left, our OH is on carbon number 1. Therefore, we use the lower number. 1 is lower than 4, so this is 1-butanol. So there you have it. This is 1-butanol, this is 2-butanol. That's naming your straight alcohols right there in a nutshell. Alright, so I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment. If there's something you want me to explain, leave a comment. You can get to me at gsquaredacademy@gmail.com. Like the video, give it a thumbs up if you found it to be helpful. Subscribe to my channel, G Squared Academy, where excellence is epitomized. And go and name your alcohols. See you next time. Thank you for watching.